Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. So this is a really weird video for the channel. We've never done anything like this before. You're going to see inside my fridge. I've got one of these Whirlpool Gold refrigerators, and for the last few days or week it's been leaking some water. So now you get to see inside my fridge, which kind of makes me feel weird. But anyway, at the back here it's been dripping sometimes when you open the door. And it's been leaving, see right there, it's wet. There's water on that shelf, and it actually runs down the back underneath and underneath of this drawer, and it's actually poured out onto the floor. And the handy dandy appliance repair guy is here.
Hello.
And he says he's gonna fix this for us.
Oops.
By dropping the tools with this hair dryer that we borrowed from upstairs. So anyway, we're gonna let him get to work, and we're gonna turn the camera on and catch a few key clip moments of how he fixes leaky fridge. And what did you call it? What were you doing here?
It's plugged drains.
Plugged drains.
Yeah, food particles have got down the drains, and they've plugged them up, and so when the fridge goes into a defrost, the water has to go somewhere, so they go down the back of the fridge and down a tube down to the compressor area, and the heat from the compressor evaporates the water.
Well, I didn't know that. Learned something.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna be piling some tools in our hands. We'll be right back. Icebergs in the freezer.
Ice, baby.
You need one of those Milwaukee power screwdrivers. Zip, zip, zip.
Sometimes that would come in handy. Behind here is where an ice maker would get hooked up.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
I don't have the luxury.
No.
I love the 1/4 inch adapter you've got there.
Oh, it's beautiful. It works.
You're like a surgeon with that thing.
I am.
Look at all that stuff. We could go ice skating in here.
So this is the evaporator.
Mm-hmm.
This is the heater.
Oh, that copper line down underneath
Yes,
there?
yes. When this comes on, it warms up the evaporator and melts it, and then the water is supposed to drain
Down there.
Yeah.
But it's not.
But it's not.
It's going down there.
It is.
Yeah.
Now that we've got the ice rink removed, this is the drain back here. It is still plug solid with ice, and I'm blow drying the hole, and I'm using a screwdriver to transfer heat from the shaft of the screwdriver down the hole to aid in the defrosting of it. One thing to note, we've got sharp edges on the evaporator here. So they might cut the end of your...
Don't rake your knuckles.
Don't rake your knuckles. Okay, I think we've cleared our defrost tube. So what you do now is take a glass of warm water and just pour it into the drip tray. And I can hear it going down the back of the fridge and into the drip tray down below. So we have successfully unplugged our drains.
Job complete. I guess we just slap this thing back together.
You betcha.
And wipe all the water up off the floor and everywhere.
There you have it.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Well, there you go, guys. That's how to de-ice your Whirlpool Gold fridge. But I guess this is similar across the board for a lot of appliances is how they work.
Yes.
A lot of brands is how they work.
A lot of brands.
Same kind of problem.
Same kind of problem. Different brands have different ways of taking them apart. But this is very similar to a lot of different brands.
All right. Well,
all right.
Thanks for that. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to see some more videos like this, I'll put a link to Carey's channel down below in the just above the comment section in the description. And like I said, kind of a weird different video for the channel, but it's a machine and it had a problem and we fixed it. All right. Thanks for watching.